Alright, today I just wanted to show you guys my current car collection. Alright, today we're at the house. I just want to show my current car collection. It's not really a car collection, but I want to show you the fleet. I think fleet is a better name of what we have going on over here. So I'll show you what we got going on. All right, we're gonna start off with my daily driver. It's just a Tesla Model Y, stock wheels, stock everything. What I need to do to this car is I need to get some other wheels, get the stance right, and just get some other wheels that look better and a bit better. And then these wheels will be my winter tire setup. So I'll put snow tires on these every year on the stock wheels, and the other wheels I get, which hopefully will, not hopefully, but well, actually hopefully will look nice. They will be summer tires, and they're gonna be sportier, look a little better. So in the summer it'll look better. I also am getting subwoofers for this car, or a subwoofer, a 10-inch Scar Audio subwoofer, and that should help the stereo sound better. The stereo sounds great stock, but I like some bass, so we're gonna do that. Okay, moving on to my next car. By the way, this is a 2022 Tesla Model Y. Mr. Nate on the plate. It's dirty. It's just daily driver for kids and for work, and fits the kids good. It's nice and safe. It's quick. It's actually probably my fastest car, but it's not a performance. Just a Tesla Model Y long range 2022 in the red. All right, now here we got my 2002 Chevy Suburban. This car needs a windshield. I think you can see crack on the windshield right there. It needs new tires and alignment really badly. It just had the whole front end redone by my buddy Jeremy. But it needs some loving. It's in pretty good shape. It needs both the front seats reupholstered. It needs all the speakers done. But it's got heat, AC, a whole new front end, new brakes. When I say front end, I mean like all the like suspension components, all the control arms, and just everything's replaced. Let's see if it's open actually. See if we can get in here. It is, okay. So yeah, it needs the back seats replaced too. You can see it's got a bunch of room. It needs a full detail. I guess 4 seats reupholstered. But the cool thing is the dash is in great shape. Steering wheel is in pretty good shape. So I think it's gonna be a really cool car. This I plan on replacing all the speakers, putting a tablet in the center console, and getting all the seats fixed. And another cool thing is all the door panels and paneling are in great condition, and the headliner and everything is in great condition. So yeah, I just got, like, check out this door panel. It's perfect. All right, so this is gonna be a sick car when I'm done with it. Just get the carpet fully cleaned out. I might need to replace that little center console thing, but I think I can just clean it out. You can see the seat is trashed, wrecked. It actually pokes you right there. It like stabs you in the back slightly. It's got about 250,000 miles on it. It's a 5.3 V8, like an LS platform. Tires are cooked. These are the tires I got on it when I bought it. But it was a good deal. I got it for $700. And I put $1,300 into replacing all the front end suspension and everything, you know, wheel bearings, tires, etc. And it's gonna be a cool little off-road car. I think I'm gonna lift it a little bit, put some nice tires on it, get the alignment, get the windshield replaced. And then I gotta find somewhere local that I can get the seats replaced. And I'm about to find out an audio place right now because the Tesla is getting a subwoofer in it. So that'll be cool. All right. Then we have my wife's car. This is a 2013 Honda Crosstour V6 4-wheel drive. It's my wife's car. It's for the family to do stuff. Look, we got a blanket in the back, diapers in the back. Got car seats there. And this car, you'll actually see it on the channel soon. I got to replace all the brakes. All the brakes need to be done. This thing has almost 200,000 miles on it. Another thing is we have a subwoofer for it, and it was installed, but it stopped working. So again, just like the Tesla and the Suburban, I'm gonna get it taken to audio shop so it gets installed properly and doesn't stop working. Okay? Needs some headlight restoration, but I'm bringing this car back. I'm gonna fully detail it. I am going to get the subwoofer working, get the brakes done. It's gonna be a sick car. And then go to the next car. This is my 1983 Mustang GLX. And it is not really in mint condition, but it's an original owner car from Reno, Nevada. Still got some old ugly wheels on it. Might get darkened here. The convertible top needs some fixing. You can see right there, I got a rip. I got another rip right here. And it's convertible top's pretty gone. But it's a cool car. It's got a dent right here. You can see the door doesn't really fit flush with the fender. It is, you know, it's a piece of work, but it's a cool car. Let's get the camera a little brighter. But yeah, that's the Mustang. Pretty sick car. Cool thing about this is, if you haven't been on the channel, this car is the LS swap with a T56 manual. It used to be an automatic, and it's got some cool stuff in it. So I'm gonna pop the hood and show you the interior, show you some things wrong with the car. But overall, it's a pretty cool car. I'll show you. All right, so you can see right here, it's a bunch of dings and dents like in the door. Door panel, it's not in that bad of shape, but this is, you can see this is all crusty. Interior wise, other than the door panels, it's basically fully done. So it's got a new dash, painted dash, new steering wheel, NRG quick release. I got an iPad installed in it right there. I got, you know, her shifter, nice floor mats, new carpet, I got nice seats, Corbeau GTS 2 seats. They're pretty sick. I got the anti-submarine little holes in them. The back seat I have not done yet. The back seat's just a blanket and some sound deadening. But I have a back seat, and I'm actually gonna get it reupholstered to the same micro suede fabric as the front seats. So let's see what we can do. Pop the hood on this guy. It's still got a pretty crusty sound deadening, you know, heat, whatever shield thing that's called. But it's cool. It's got a LS1, you know, cold air intake, stainless steel headers. It's not the worst wiring job. It's pretty good. It's got a Mishimoto radiator and electric fans, also Mishimoto. New brakes, you know, new everything, man. You can see actually the suspension is old, but I actually have coilovers coming for it on Tuesday, so I'll be able to do some coilovers. The reason I got the coilovers is, one, it'll be stiffer suspension, but two, if you look at it, it's kind of got that Carolina squat going on. It's really lifted in the front. The back sitting kind of how I want it. But yeah, I'm gonna get that stanced out. If you actually look over here, I got some nice cheap SVE like Cobra wheels with like the little fake two-piece type thing going on. Here's the other 3 of them in the box. So it's gonna have those on it soon. It's got a subwoofer in the back, in the trunk, and it's cool. I guess right here you can see I got some upper and lower control arms that I'm gonna put on when I do the coilovers too. So yeah, it's gonna be a sick car. You can see some of this molding's bad. It's gonna be sick, but it needs a lot of love. You know, it needs all these weather stripping replaced. It needs a new top. It needs paint. It needs that back seat. Here, let's go find that back seat. Let's see. Here goes the back seat. These 2 pieces. These are actually in pretty good condition. They're just ugly. I could throw them in right now, but they are not the right color and not the right fabric. So that's gonna be micro suede, just like the front seats. And yeah, I think I'm also eventually gonna do the door panels and parts of the dash and like an Alcantara micro suede setup too, because I think it'll be sick. Everything will feel new and nice. And that's about it. That's the car stuff I got going on. That's my car collection. It's not really a collection. It's just my fleet of cars. Eventually I do want a car collection. You know, I want to have an old 67 Mustang, white with a red interior, just to mimic my dad's first car. My dad used to have a 67 Mustang when he was young. And then, you know, I want a Grand National and Buick T-types and 442s and a Chevelle and all sorts of stuff. A Galaxy 500 one day, you know, all sorts of stuff. So hopefully I can make all that happen. Maybe I can make it happen on YouTube. That's the other thing. This garage, if you look, is a mess. So one of my videos coming up, you'll see me completely do a time lapse and tear my garage from head to toe out, tear everything out, clean everything up, put everything back that needs to be in here, and then throw away all the trash and put all the stuff that I don't need anymore that's worth money on eBay. And I'm just gonna make this paint booth I have over there more functional, the sandblaster more functional, you know, hang some tools up on the walls and like only have stuff that I need in here. The Mustang will probably live in here until I get all the weather stripping and the convertible top fully set up, and then I'm gonna build a carport in my front yard. I got a pretty big front yard, and I'll probably leave the Mustang there. So yeah, that's my current car collection, current fleet of cars. My goal this year is basically bring them all back to life the way it should be. So the Mustang's registered and running. I just got to get a few things done. You'll see some videos on that, but I gotta get all the gauges working and get it just more reliable. It's reliable right now, but I want to be able to know if I'm overheating and stuff like that. Right now I can't see anything. I might want to get the windshield wipers working again and just kind of dial it in. And the Honda, like I said, we're going to be doing full brakes on it, head to toe, rotors, new calipers, new pads, new everything, front to back, restore the headlights, fully detail it, get the subwoofer working again, air filter, cabin filter, stuff like that. And then, like I said, with the Suburban, we're going to be doing the windshield, new tires, alignment, and all sorts of stuff. Here goes my kid. Oh, my family came out. Hey, Navi. Hey, wifey.
Hello, baby.
Hey, Nazir. What you guys doing? You guys aren't going anywhere. You guys just coming to see what Dad is doing outside.
Being nosy.
Being nosy.
Where are you going?
Yeah, that's the family. And that's the cars. And like I said, we're gonna get them all taken care of this year. Everything, bring everything back to life. New wheels on the Tesla, new brakes on the Honda, new wheels, suspension, lift kit on the Suburban, new speakers. All the speakers are shot in it. New seats. That's about it.
At the wrong time. Now you're
Out.